Hello everyone, I am Trupti Pandya and today I will be teaching you Element of Account Standard 12 Part 2 Chapter 4 Analysis of a Financial Statement. Students, in previous lecture we already completed up to point number 10. Today let us start point number 11. Let us start it. Significance of comparative financial statement. As stated earlier, there is a statement are prepared on the basis of a principle, and as stated earlier, financial statements are prepared on the basis of principles and rules of accounting and in the predetermined form, so that the financial accounts represent result with a consistent base. To understand account easily by stakeholders, financial statements are presented in rearranged form. Due to this process, the utility of a financial statement increases. The importance of a comparative statement can be described as under. First of all, intra-firm comparison. There is every year financial statements are prepared by business enterprises. When the accounts of a business entity of a current year are compared with the account of a previous years, it is known as an intra-firm comparison. As compared to previous year, whether the efficiency is increased or not, profitability is increased or not, whether the solvency is increased or not, can be analyzed. Besides, when one business entity has various departments, their financial performance evaluation is also done. This is also included in the category of intra-firm comparison. Second, inter-firm comparison. An industry comprises of various business entities. When financial statements of various business entities are compared with each other, it is known as an inter-firm comparison. Which business unit is financially strong or weak as compared to the other business unit can be ascertained. This information is ascertained through the inter-firm comparison. Different stakeholders may rethink on their investment decision due to the inter-firm comparison. So, to undertake the financial condition comparison between two units, financial statements analysis is useful. If there is a comparison with the other unit, otherwise internal units, that inter-firm comparisons, and so there is an analysis of a statement is necessary. Indicates trend. Due to comparison of financial statements of different years and different sections of a business unit, the information of a trend pertaining to financial position and profitability is ascertained. On the basis of this trend, different stakeholders undertake forecasting of their decision. The trend or different aspects of disclosed by financial statements analysis. The trend help to make a decision. Fourth one, useful to creditors. This analysis of a statement is useful to creditors also. Creditors of business units are of a long term and short term. Creditors determine credit worthiness of business units through analysis of financial statements. So it is also useful to the creditors. Fifth one, simple and comparable presentation of information. The information disclosed in the financial statements is prepared on the basis of rules of accounting. But when the information of the financial statement is rearranged, it becomes simple to understand and analyze the financial statements. Generally, the information of a financial statement is rearranged in the form of a table. Thus, it becomes useful and simple to understand. 12th one. Now, 12th point. Stages of analysis of a financial statement. There are legal rules for the preparation of financial statements. Financial statements are prepared on the basis of rules. In the company form, financial accounts are prepared per Companies Act 2013. We know that Companies Act 2013 is the new act. There is a provision for structure and nature of financial statements. Different stages are developed for the analysis of financial statements. Due to these stages, an organized and significance analysis can be done. These stages are as under: first, new structural arrangement of financial statements. Different tools are used for the analysis of financial statements, which are prepared as per the legal provisions, where common size financial statements, comparative statements, ratio analysis, etc. are included. The information disclosed in financial statement is reclassified and rearranged to undertake use of these tools. This arrangement make use of tools more favorable. One example is that to know the trend of net profit, the last 5 years net profit rate is used. Its formula: net profit upon all sales into 100. For this analysis, sales and profit of last 5 years is arranged in the form of table, which is as follows. First one, table of net profit. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years is there. Net profit: first year 60,000, second year 77,000, third year 1,10,500, fourth 80,000, and fifth 84,000. Now here sales. Sales are 5 lakh, 5 lakh 50,000, 8 lakh 50,000, 5 lakh, 5 lakh 60,000. Total sales 20 lakh, 9 lakh 60,000. And here net profit 4 lakh 11,500. When we divide in years 5, then 82, average net profit is 82,300. And net sales 29 lakh 60,000 divided by 5, then 5 lakh 92,000. So here net profit rate is 12%, 14%, 13%, 16%, and 15%. And average of this both is 14%. In the first stage of analysis, required information is to be obtained from the financial statement and subsequently to be classified and rearranged as mentioned above. To know the trend of net profits of the last 5 years, this information can be presented in this form. Second, comparison. In the second stage of financial analysis, reclassified and rearranged information is compared. The sales and net profit which are shown in above mentioned table are compared with sales and net profit of its previous year. The comparison of the results of the second year with the first year: profit, sales, and net profit rate are increased as compared to the first year in the second year. In this way, the result of the second year will with the third year, of the third year with the fourth of year, and the fourth year with the fifth can be compared. So comparatively, one by one years, when we compare first to second, second to third, third to fourth, fourth to fifth, then analysis and interpretation is done on the basis of a comparison. Third point, analysis and interpretation. Under point number 2, the information is compared. Under this stage, an attempt is made to explain information in a quantitative manner along with a quantitative form. Analysis means appropriate examination or evaluation of information, where information is categorized into different components and the relationship is tested. Interpretation gives explanation of this relationship. Net profit and sales shown in the above table are a component of the financial statements. In income statement, there are two variables for computations of a net profit, rate, and both are interrelated. Theoretically, the increase in the sales leads to increase in a net profit. It means the sales and the net profit have a positive relationship. As compared to the first year, sales is increased from 5 lakh to 5 lakh 50,000 in the second year, and the profit is also increased from 60,000 to 77,000. In the third year, sales is increased, profit is also increased. In the fourth year, sales is reduced, profit is also reduced. Again, in the fifth year, sales is increased, profit is also increased. In practice, it is possible that in spite of having increase in sales, there may be reduction in profit, or despite the decrease in sales and profit also increase. This process is known as analysis. As compared to the first year, net profit rate second year is increased from 12% to 14%. It is good for the company. But in the third year, sale is increased as compared to the second year. Profit is also increased. But the rate of profit is reduced, which is 13%. It can be said that profit earning capacity of the company is reduced during the third year as compared to the second year. From the information of 5 years, the total sales of 5 year is 29,60,000 and profit is 4,11,500. Their average respectively is rupees 5,92,000 and 82,300. This is a kind of interpretation. In this way, the interpretations can be done each year. In this way, the interpretations can be done each year. This process is known as interpretation. Performance evaluation of a company is done in the basis of analysis and interpretation. From this evaluation, it can be ascertained that whether company has a good financial health or not. Different stakeholders make their decisions on the basis of this analysis and interpretation. Now let us take information on different tools of a financial statement. Analysis were study pertaining to common size financial statement. Comparative statement and ratio analysis is to be done. Point number 13. Tools of analysis of financial statements. The preparation of a financial statement is the last stage under the financial accounting. In this stage, the preparation of an income statement and balance sheet are included, and the company form cash flow statement is also prepared. In this statement, details of expense, income, assets, liability are disclosed in the form of rupees, in the form of currency of a respective country. All these details are shown in the financial statements in a legal form. Many a time it is difficult for a common man to understand them. In order to resolve this problem and to make information of financial statements more understandable, the analysis of a statement is done. For this analysis, information of more than 1 year is used. For this process, different tools are developed in accounting, and analysis process is done with the use of them, where common size financial statements, comparative statements, and ratio analysis are included. Ratio analysis is discussed in the separate chapter. The explanation of a comparative statement and common size statement is as follows. First of all, comparison of financial statements. The financial information of at least 2 years is required. For comparison process, the development detail of a predetermined period is obtained through comparison. It can be known that which period shows good result and which shows weak results. In comparative statement, the details of income statements and or balance sheet of 2 or more than 2 years are compared. Comparison of a financial statement. Through comparative statement, profit loss statement, balance sheet. Through common size statement, profit loss statement, balance sheet. Financial statement are compared in 2 ways. First, through comparative statement. Under this comparative statement, comparative balance sheet and comparative profit loss statement, income statement are prepared. This comparison is done in horizontal form. Thus, it is known as a horizontal analysis of financial statements. Under this comparison, it can be ascertained that as compared to previous year, what is increase decrease in terms of rupees and in terms of a percentage during the current year. The development trend of a business entity can be seen from this kind of analysis. First example, equity share capital in the year 2016 was 3 lakh and in the year 2017 it is 4,50,000 rupees. It means equity share capital is increased by 1,50,000, and in the form of percentage, equity share capital is increased by 50%. Compared to previous year, 4,50,000 minus 3 lakh. Upon all 3 lakh into 100, the statement which prepared in this form are known as a comparative statement. Second point, through common size statements. Balance sheet and profit and loss statement are considered for the kind of comparative statement also. This analysis is done in the very vertical form. Thus, it is known as a vertical analysis of financial statements. Under this comparison, one base is used. For a balance sheet, the total of a balance sheet is considered as a base. For a profit loss statement, sales is considered as a base. As example, the total of a balance sheet of a 2016 is 1 lakh, where non-current asset are of rupees 60,000 and current asset are of 40,000. While in the year 2017, the total of a balance sheet is rupees 1 lakh 50,000 and where non-current assets are of rupees 75,000 and current assets are of rupees 75,000. Its analysis and interpretation is as follows. Analysis. During 2016, non-current assets are 60%, 60,000 upon all 1 lakh into 100. Of a total assets and current assets are 40%, 40,000 upon all 1 lakh into 100 of a total asset. During 2017, non-current assets are 50%, 75,000, 1 lakh 50,000 into 100 of a total assets and current assets are also 50%, 75,000, 1 lakh 50,000 into 100 of a total assets. Interpretation. As compared to the previous year, the proportions of the non-current asset is reduced from 60% to 50%, while the proportion of the current asset is increased from 40% to 50%. The above explained analysis and the interpretations can be done with the help of a comparative statement. Now, next point, characteristics of a comparative and common size financial statement. There is information for 2 or more than 2 years. Second, the comparison of the results of a 2 or more than 2 years can be disclosed in the form of rupees. Third, the comparison of the results of a 2 or more than 2 years can be disclosed in the form of percentage. This comparison discloses either increase or decrease. Fifth one, the trend of any component of a statement can be known through this comparison. The trend of a share capital increase, decrease or no change. Sixth one, it can be presented in ratio form. Seventh, profit loss statement and balance sheet of the previous year are compared respectively with the profit loss statement and balance sheet of the current year. It means the comparison is done. The detailed information of a tools of a comparison of a financial statement are as under. First, comparative statement. Comparative statement of a profit loss statement, comparative statement of a balance sheet. Common size statement, common size statement of a profit loss statement, common size statement of a balance sheet. So this way, characteristics of analysis of a financial statement. This way our 13 point is over. Thank you very much.